So it's raining outside, and here, let me show you. So it's so wet outside. So today I thought we could do a great thing inside. So I'll show you what everybody's doing. Everybody's in here. Bobby's in the Zoom meeting. Hi. So today we're gonna go play with my dog. So guys, we're gonna go get a toy. So here's our What do you want? You ready to play? Hi. Ready? We're gonna race. Other side. Run. Come on, guys. What do you have? You had a shark? Why? Hi. He's running so fast. Oh, I did it. Whoa, whoa. I did it. Whoa. Oh my God. I'm going to be alive. I did it. Whoa. I'm going to get you. I got it. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Give me. Come here. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? I can't keep up with you. Okay, guys. Hang on. I'm taking a little break. It was my daddy, Olivia. Alright, now back. Alright, guys. So, back in business. Where is she? I see you. Wait. Don't you take what you're doing? What's this? I'm coming to get you. Hi. Whoa. Alright, guys. So that's it for today's episode. So, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Did you say bye? No? Oh, hang on.